Every boat has a story that begins long before it reaches the water. Behind every successful design is a process of ideas, engineering, and countless decisions made by an experienced team.
A good boat design is not just about appearance. It's about finding the right balance between performance, functionality, and how the boat will be built.
So, how does an idea become a real boat? Let's take a look behind the scenes.
Hi, I'm Fu. I'm responsible for boat design and engineering. For me, the most exciting part of this job is seeing an idea gradually become a real boat. Something that starts as a concept on a computer can eventually go into production, touch the water, and become something people actually use. That process is what makes boat design meaningful.
Once a design leaves the computer and enters production, does everything always go exactly as planned?
Not always. And that's actually what makes this work challenging and exciting at the same time. A design can look perfect on paper, but building a real boat means every decision has to work in the real world. We are not just creating shapes on a screen. We are creating something that people will rely on out on the water.
So behind every boat, there is actually a lot more teamwork than people might expect.
Exactly. Building a boat is never the work of one person. Everyone brings their own expertise to the process, from hull structure and production design, to electrical systems and onboard integration. The key is connecting every detail together and making sure everything works as one complete system. Because creating a better boat requires more than one skill. It requires experience, knowledge, and a shared goal.
Over the years, every project has given us new experience and a deeper understanding of what customers really need.
Every boat we build teaches us something new. Every project, every challenge, and every customer's feedback helps us understand what makes a better boat. Over the years, these experiences have shaped our flagship models, boats designed from real needs, real challenges, and real experience on the water.
The boat is made of thousands of decisions. Now it's time to find the one that's made for you at Gospel Boats.
Gospel Boats.